Crafting Journey here. I have got an unboxing. It is from Treasure Studios Arts, and this is my first time getting a tube. So some of you saw me interrupt my live this morning so I could run out, sign for it, because you know when it comes via DHL, you have to sign for it, or else they'll give it to the neighbor. And I didn't want to have to go ask my neighbor for this. Malia was here, my granddaughter, but she does not like to answer the door. And I kind of don't blame her. She's a little scared to answer the door to strangers. But in any case, I am so super impressed with this tube. First of all, it's got this beautiful logo. Oh my God. Create magic. And this, I don't know if you guys can tell, it makes that pink look like it's been diamond painted. It's so pretty. And then 100% money back guarantee, supporting artists worldwide. It has, you know, the different ways that they're available on social media. It has the 6 steps to diamond painting. Although if you've never diamond painted before, I don't think I would start out with any kind of painting that would come in this tube, because the reason they come in this tube is because they're large paintings. Yeah. So super, it's beautiful. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Pink and black, my favorite color combination. Look at that, it just slides off. Yeah, how cool is that? And slides back on. Well, we're not gonna put it back on, so not yet anyway. What do we have? Okay, we have the toolkit. You guys are very familiar with Treasure Studios Arts toolkits, and I'm looking. As yet, they have not switched out the placers on it. You're still getting the same placers that we always got, the 3 placer, the 7 placer, and the 9 placer. So what you're getting, it's packaged this way so that they can be sold separately. You can buy these separate from the diamond paintings if you would like to. I have a friend at work now that diamond paints. I'm going to take some of these in for her because she's using whatever comes with her kit. And these are much nicer. You get the first of all, this branded pink organza bag that says Treasure Studios. You know, it's like going to a wedding and they've got little favors in the bag. It's so nice. So you get the white tray with the funnel, the 2 pieces of wax, the pink tweezers. These are blunted tweezers. They are not sharp. These are good for pulling up diamonds that you've put down by mistake. You get a pen with a squishy and the placers that I spoke about before. So all of that comes in this nice little beautiful bag. Okay, what else do we have in here? Drills and a painting. Okay, so the painting is wrapped around the drills. Okay, that's fine. Now this painting is 80 by 60, so I'm probably going to have to hold it up so you can see the whole thing. But let me just talk a little bit about this canvas. It is this beautiful cloth canvas. It's, you know, it's just a gorgeous canvas. It's not the soft one like Diamond Art Club. It's more like an oil cloth type fabric. So it's a little bit more flexible than the Diamond Art Club equivalent. So you do have a schematic. This is 40 colors. It's called the Cottage by Howard Robinson. So we're going to try to open it up, and it's got a little bit of an odor to it. And I have found in the last few paintings I've gotten from China that it does have an odor to it. And you just kind of have to let it breathe for a little bit, and then that odor goes away. So let us look at the inventory sheet. Now, if you like to work out of bags, then you're all set. All of the colors are in baggies. They are labeled with the number of the painting, the amount of drills, and the DMC number of the color that's inside the bag. Now, I ordered rounds. I like rounds from Treasure Studios Arts because they're 2.5 instead of 2.8. They're smaller, and I really like the way that turns out on the painting. Now, here is the inventory sheet, which is now coming in color. Yay! Look at this painting. That is called the Tulip Cottage by Howard Robinson. Now, here is all of the symbols. If you have a Xyron sticker maker, you can cut this and then just run it through, and you can use that on your storage containers. But there's a look at the symbols. Oh, my camera now wants to focus. Isn't that nice of it? Nothing unusual here in the way of symbols. Let's look at the canvas. Now, let me see which way it goes. Oh, it goes this way. So gorgeous. This is the way it goes, guys. Look at this. It is beautiful. Look at those yellow tulips. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I'm gonna love this. So you've got another schematic on the lower left side. The one I first showed you is in the upper right, so that if you're painting it, as you're painting it, see, this is larger than my drafting table, but not much larger, so I don't think it will be one that I'm going to need to roll. But if it was, I would not worry about rolling these, as long as you're rolling it with the glue out on the outside of your roll. Now, this is mounted adhesive. It is not port glue. It is not double-sided adhesive. It has this very heavy plastic on it, which I really love. But look at this. Oh my God. Let me just show you up close these tulips. Holy moly, they're gorgeous. Now I will show you the symbols up close. Oh, we got to get the camera to cooperate. There we go. So you see how pretty those flowers are going to be. That looks like the corner I'm going to want to start in, actually, with those yellow flowers. Wow, those are gorgeous. Really gorgeous. With the cottage here, and oh, you know what? I remember now what I loved about this painting. This painting has a border. That's what we're looking at, guys. It's the border. So if you look all around this painting, it has a border. So that when you're done painting it, you will have, see the border? That's a flower. That's part of this border. These flowers are part of the border. Over here, is the border. So that's what I remember about this painting. It has the border. I forgot all about that. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. And this, you're not going to get bubbles or rivers or anything like that because this is not double-sided adhesive. So you don't really have to worry about that. So let's look at the colors here. We want to make sure that we have 40 colors. So while I'm doing that, we're going to listen to a little bit of music. So I've counted, I've organized them because I want to kit it up. I don't like to work out of the bags myself because these baggies I find tend to hold a lot of static. That's one reason, and the other reason is I prefer the storage containers. There's less chance that I'm going to spill them if I have them in a storage container. So I did want to show you some of the colors. So of course you know how I love pink, and here's my favorite color, 3608. It is pink, 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 pink. Weird lighting in here today, huh, folks? Yep. Pink. Look at those drills. Nice flat bottoms. Although I will say, if I'm going to check out for misshapen, I'm going to look at the 310. And this is all of the 310 that is in these bags. I know, isn't that great? So I am just looking, and I'm not seeing a lot of trash, a lot, you know, misshapen drills. That's good. That is good. So we got this bright yellow. Look at this. Very pretty yellow. Now, Treasure Studios Arts does not give you ABs or sparklers or anything like that. You get acrylic drills with your painting. Now, this would be the opportune time to look at the painting and say, where would I like to add some sparkle or bring attention to something, you know, one thing or the other. And you may decide that it's in the tulips, the yellow tulips, that you want to bring the attention to. Here's a pretty blue. I'll just show you very quickly some of the colors that come with this. Of course, you know I love pink, and here are a couple of pinks that are really pretty. Yes, nice pinks. You've got your 550, which is that nice deep purple. And then 553, which is just a little bit lighter shade of purple. Lots of green in this painting. There's several different shades. You've got this hunter green, which is like 500. You can't even tell that it's green. That is green, folks. Yeah, it's green. Got some mustard color here. Some, oh wow, 4 variations of yellow here. Look at these. You've got 4 different variations of yellow. Isn't that going to be beautiful with those flowers? Absolutely gorgeous. And some more yellows over here. This is that butter, that popcorn yellow right there. This is such a pretty yellow right here. That is 3823. Of course, my favorite pink, more green, more purple, some brown, and we shouldn't forget 3865 white. Yep, so pretty. I'm just looking at the quality of these drills. And they're tiny, no doubt. You're going to look at them and go, wow, those are tiny. Yes, they are. But they make a fabulous, beautiful painting. I will show you here. Look. This Cheshire Cat is made with all of these teeny tiny drills, and it sparkles so beautifully. I did not have to add sparklers to that because it is so sparkly. So one more thing I wanted to show you about the painting. I'm going to try to pick these up in order, and I just turned my light pad on. You don't need that. Now, the last thing I wanted to show you while I still have this out, I did tell you that in addition to the DMC color, which is 3865, you will see a number above that, which is 2249 round. I'm sorry I'm shaking a little bit, but if your drills get separated, and maybe you forgot to put your inventory sheet in with the drills, just take a look at that number, which was 2249. And if you look at the bottom of the canvas, the bottom left-hand corner, you will see the number 2249, which is right here. And my camera does not want to focus. Trust me, that's the number of the painting. So let's look at this again. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This cottage. We have a branded canvas. It says Treasure Studios Arts. It has the name of the painting. It has a thumbnail of the painting. It has every way that you can contact Treasure Studios Art on social media. Down here in the right-hand corner. If there is any questions that you have about something you've ordered, that's a good way to contact them. If you are looking to buy this painting or any painting, please do not forget I am an affiliate of Treasure Studios Arts. You can go on their website when you're all done shopping and you're ready to check out. Put in my code Rebecca15, and that will give you a 15% discount of any purchase over $40 or more, which I got to tell you is probably most paintings. So paintings are not cheap anymore, are they? So guys, thanks for coming with me on this journey. Thanks for looking at the cottage with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.